Hey there, awesome kids! Did you know that computers can be artists too? Yep, it's true. Today I'm going to show you how AI or artificial intelligence can paint pictures and even write amazing stories. So what is AI? Well, it's a super smart computer that can learn and do cool things just like your brain. Imagine having a robot friend who can draw and tell stories for you. Sounds fun, right? First up, let's talk about AI art. There's this fantastic tool called DALL-E. It's like a magical paintbrush that a computer uses to create pictures. All you need to do is type in what you want to see, like a cat flying in space, and presto! The computer paints it for you. Isn't that amazing? And guess what? You can try this out too. There are free tools online that let you create your own AI art. Just ask a parent or teacher to help you find them. Then you can start making your own cool pictures with just a few clicks. Now let's talk about AI writing stories. There's another incredible tool called GPT-3. You give it some ideas like a dragon who loves cupcakes and it will write an entire story for you. How cool is that? You can be a story creator with the help of a computer buddy. So, what do you think? Are you ready to become an AI artist and storyteller? Give it a try and let your imagination run wild. Remember, learning and having fun with AI is just the beginning of an awesome adventure. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and exciting videos. See you next time, future artists and storytellers. Bye!